The mean and variance of a binomial distribution are 4 and 2 respectively. Then the probability of exactly 2 successes is option A 7 by 64, option B 21 by 128, option C 7 by 32, option D 9 by 32. It came in WB Joint 2021. We know we have mean 4 and we have and variance 2. So mean NP equal to 4 we can write, and variance NPQ equal to 2. So NPQ by NP 2 by 4. From here we will get Q half. So if Q equal to half, P equal to 1 minus Q, that is half, and NP equal to 4, and put the value of P, we will get the value of N equal to 8. So P x equal to 2, exactly 2 successes. So P x equal to 2, 8C2 half square into half to the power 6. Why? P square into Q 8 minus 2. So half square into half to the power 6. 8C2 into half to the power 8. So 8C2 equal to 8 into 7 by 2 into 1 and 1 by 2 to the power 8. 1 by 256. It will be 7 by 64. Option A is the correct answer. Next, for positive integers n cube plus 2n is always divisible by option A 3, option B 7, option C 5, option D 6. Very simple mathematics. It came in WB Joint 2016. So we will put different value of n equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. N cube plus 2n takes values. If we put 1, then the value will be 3. If we put the value of n 2, then we will get the value 12 here. And if we put n equal to 3, we will get the value 33. So 3, 12, 33, which are all divisible by 3. So option A is the correct answer.